Same time I run right now. The same time I run last year. So what's alright, Navasky. Start increase my workload, you know? Because me when I give me now, me handle it too well. You see me? So I start increase intensity, increase my volume and everything and so I come back from Diamond League late September, start training October. Them time them warm. So I'm warm. You know, so I'm warm and one. I could come back in the training and me I say, yes man, you have to go work. You see me? Remember one Tuesday, the Marco do a workout. So me not beat Marco in a workout. Next Tuesday, I see Marco come in a training with a headband. Him say, oh, you know what day is today, Navasky? Today is payback Tuesday. Yo. Man say, oh. Man say, gonna pay for everything you did last week. You see me? So me say, alright. Say, man, come back vengeance now. Since the man come back vengeance the day, every day after that Tuesday was payback Tuesday. Pay for everything I did. And see, while paying for it, the coach say one thing. Make sure you can touch Marco in his back. No matter when you train, just make sure you can touch him in his back. Start get better and better and better and better.